If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these very plain glasses into these lovely Hello Kitty drinking glasses, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so I picked up these drinking glasses from a little closeout store. They were only 50 cents per glass and they're nice and heavy duty, very decent. I cleaned them up really good and I'm going to add some really cute Hello Kitty DTF cup transfers. So I purchased these really cute cup transfers from Amazon.com and I think it came with like 6 in a pack and they were about no more than $8. I'll make sure I have a link to where I purchased these from. They're so adorable and my daughters love Hello Kitty. I wanted to surprise them with a cute little cup. Once I looked through the cute little DTF transfers, I decided which ones I wanted to use for my daughters. So instead of just wrapping it around the cup, because this cup is bigger at the top and it gets smaller at the bottom, I thought it would be easier for me to apply them by cutting them, by separating the areas that I want, laying them on there, and then just kind of keep placing them on there as I go along. Okay, so there is a backing sheet to pull off. You saw that part. Now once you have the design on the cup, you pull off the front sheet as well. It's a hard pull, but take your time. And as you can see, it's nice and smooth, no bubbles, and it looks so adorable. I'm going to just keep piecing the design on the cup till I feel like it's full enough. I cut my daughter's names out using my Silhouette Cameo, and I'm going to add their names to the cups just so it's a more personalized gift for them, and so there's no confusion, so we know who cup belongs to who. Now I'm working on the second cup. These cups are just so pretty. It literally looks like something I bought from the store. And I'm just going to take my old little gift card or game card from Dave & Buster's, smooth this on, and peel it off again like I did on the first cup. Now I wanted to show you the versatility of these DTF transfers. I'm going to add one to a coffee mug, a shot glass, and another drink mug glass. Okay guys, I'm almost done, and in the next clip I'm going to let you hear how my daughters felt about their cups that I made for them.
Oh, it's so cute!
I like it.
You like it? I'll put y'all names on the back of them.
What? Those are so cute.
Okay. This one says Royal.
Yes, okay, I figured out what
and this one says Radiant.
Yay! Where did you get those from? They're so cute.
Okay, so here is the final finished result of these cute little cups that I made for my girls. And these cups are really big. They're heavy. They're not like really flimsy or cheap. That goes to show these can make some really cute gifts. You definitely could add something like this to your pop-up shop table if you want to do something like that. Or these would be great gifts for friends and family. I hope you did enjoy this video and got to see how to actually use these DTF transfers. I have been hearing about them for a while. I just was kind of confused about how they go. I didn't know that there was a front peel. I thought once you peel the back and you just kind of put it on there, that was it. But these are really nice. You just cut them with scissors. It's extremely beginner friendly, so these are great. I also like the fact that you can use these on coffee mugs and things of that nature too. So that makes these even more versatile. And again, the coffee mug has been in the microwave. It's been heated up and it works just fine. So here is the coffee mug, the glass mug, and also the shot glass. The shot glass is like so small, so you could literally use one of the DTF cup transfer sheets and probably do like a dozen of these little shot glasses. I just added something to the front of each of these. You can add something to both sides if you want to. And again, I added my daughter's names by using my Silhouette Cameo to just cut their names out with some permanent vinyl, just to add a little more customization touch. But thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested in making something like this. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.